Hello everyone, you are watching Learn Easy with us. We provide educational and training videos every day. To stay updated with our latest content, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below after watching the video. Without any delay, let's get started. Ready? Let's dive into today's topic.
Welcome to day 7 of 100 days of code. Now, today we have a whole day dedicated to a really cool project. And what we're going to be building throughout this day is basically Hangman, or the code equivalent of this game. So the way the game works is you have to guess a word, and for every wrong letter you submit, you end up taking a life away from this little man. And of course, the longer it takes you to get to the word, the more you put your little man in danger. So this is what the final completed project is going to look like. There is a random word that I have to guess, and I'm going to type a letter to see if it's in that word. If it's not, my hangman starts and the little character starts being drawn. But if I do get a letter right, then that process pauses and the letter gets added to the word that I have to guess. And the goal is to be able to guess all the right letters so that eventually you figure out what the right word is. And this is an extremely, extremely difficult game. It took me many tries to get a take where I actually managed to guess the word before the hangman died. But it is quite fun. And you can check it out by simply going to this URL at the top or going over there through the course resources where there is a link for you as well. But this is what you're going to be building by the end of today. But just by building this game, we're going to be able to review and test ourselves on a bunch of concepts that we've already covered, like for and while loops, or if and else statements, lists, strings, the range function, modules, and much, much more. So I hope you're as excited as I am to get started on this project, and once you're ready, head over to the next lesson, and let's begin.
Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please leave your thoughts below so we can discuss more about the topic. If you'd like to suggest a video that could help the community, feel free to message me on X or Instagram. We also share short videos on Instagram, so make sure to follow us there. Feel free to reach out. We'd love to hear from you, and might even create a video based on your suggestion.